here. Old Chevy let me down again. Fuel pump's out of it, so we're gonna get it fixed and go from there. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a new episode for you guys today. So this is what we've been working on. The old 69 C10, and yes, it is down. It does have a tarp over it because it took a dump on me. I had to get it towed here, and what it turned out to be was the distributor cap and rotor button had took a dump. The carburetors are no good. They're too much. It's overloading fuel. Fouled out the plug. So yes, it's got several little things wrong with it, and we're about to fix that today. So we ordered, this was what we had going on here. The distributor cap took a dump. There's the button, all chewed up and whatnot. Ordered a new fuel pump for it. So they sent me the new distributor cap, and it does not fit. So with that being said, I said, well, that's cool. So been having problems with the carburetors, and you know, it does have the twin tunnel ram on it, and it's junk. I'm sorry, I don't like twin tunnel rams. So I decided I was gonna fix that. Let me show you what we got. Delivery man showed up today and brought me these two beautiful boxes. Let's see what's in them. Of course, you can see right there. You already can tell. Here it is, guys. The brand new Holley Efi shiny chrome finish. Man, I cannot wait to have this thing put on. And of course, it came with all the wiring harness and all that. So that's pretty sweet. I'm tickled to death. Cannot wait to get this thing put on and see what it does. This C10 going again, so let's open up this other box and show you what we got. The other box, as you can tell, it says it on the front here, so you can see it plain as day. Oh, it is a single plane Edelbrock Victor Jr. 454R, and that is it. So we're gonna have that with this Holley sitting on top like so. So that's kind of how it is going to look. I cannot wait. Also, to finish it off, we got our bug catcher. So that thing's awesome. That's just gonna top it off. So this is it, guys. We're about to get the C10 right. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Pretty much just wanted to show y'all the C10's been giving us a lot of problems. Well, all those problems are gonna be fixed. It's gonna be fuel injected. We're gonna be hop in that truck, crank it right up and drive it anywhere. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go subscribe. There's a lot more content coming on this truck. Follow us with this build. I will catch you guys around. Have a good one. Boosted 931.